Welcome to my channel, my friends. Um, Today's video, I'm going to introduce you to my new series um, of videos that we will be creating here. Fun videos. Fun videos like useless information, fun facts, and trivia. Um, Answers to the questions that you wondered but never asked. So, for example, why are piggy banks shaped like a pig? Or did Scotch tape originate in Scotland? Um, these are just a couple of intriguing questions that we will be asking in my chai talks. So, this will be like a chai talk uh, series, and I hope you can join me, and together we will discover this newfound wisdom. Catch you tomorrow.